Hello my beautiful nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. Usi Hair Lounge. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time and whatever you are watching this video from. God bless you for clicking to watch this video. If it's your first time coming across any of my videos, don't make today your last. Kindly do well to subscribe, okay? Turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss our videos. Immediately we upload them here in this channel. So you guys, this channel is your go-to destination for latest and trending nail designs and hairstyles. So if you're a lover of beautiful nail designs and gorgeous hairstyles, why not join us today and you'll be glad, of course you'll be glad you did. Thank you so much as you join us. So ladies, as you can see, today's video is not an exception as we have carefully selected most stylish and latest white acrylic nail designs for my ladies. Beautiful nails ideas for you my ladies. You know, these nails are highly recommended for brides to be, or you have a special occasion to attend. Do watch the video from beginning to the end. Just when I say more, definitely fall in love with the amazing collection we have here. We have a lot of beautiful and unique nail art on each of the nails, and also you get to see different shapes of nails, you know, with unique designs that you definitely fall in love with. So as you watch, kindly do what to select your most loved ones and also share it to your loved ones so they can also, you know, look for their styles ideas. So you my ladies, if this is not actually what you want, if you are looking for a colorful nails, why not go into our channel? We have varieties. We have a lot of beautiful videos on different nail types that you will definitely, you know, love. So you my ladies, as you watch, kindly support the channel by liking the video. Also share to your loved ones. Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section. Tell us what you think about this nail. Do you like white nails? Are you gonna be trying any of these nails? Just let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much my ladies. Just keep engaging. God bless you guys and see you on the next video. Bye.